In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete a forked repository in GitHub. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. Here, I have saved the GitHub homepage in the bookmark bar so that I can access it easily. Let's click on it. This is the GitHub homepage. Deleting a forked repository may be necessary for several reasons. One common reason is to clean up your GitHub profile by removing outdated or unused forks that no longer serve a purpose, especially after a pull request has been merged or a project is abandoned. It also helps avoid confusion when managing multiple projects or repositories. In some cases, developers may fork the wrong repository or make mistakes during initial setup and want to start fresh. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Your Repositories. Click on the repository that you want to delete. In the top menu, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the end of the page. Now, click on Delete this repository. In the pop-up, click on I want to delete this repository. In this pop-up, click on I have read and understand the effects. For security reasons, you will be asked to type some text in the pop-up. But if you look closely, you can see that the text I am required to type and a part of my address bar match with each other. Now, you can type the text manually, or you can select that part from the address bar. Copy the selected part by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard and paste it in the text box by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. After the text has been verified, click on Delete this repository. Here you can see that I have successfully deleted a forked repository. Following these steps, you can delete or remove a forked repository easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.